Got a UPDF file from a colleague and your PDF reader doesn't recognize it? This is a project file from a popular cross-platform PDF editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open UPDF documents. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the UPDF format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A .updf file is a proprietary document format created by the UPDF editor, an alternative to Adobe Acrobat. It functions as a project file, preserving advanced editing features like layers, annotations, and form fields in a non-flattened state. Users create and open these files to maintain full editability within the UPDF ecosystem. The .updf format is a container, likely built upon the standard PDF structure, but with additional proprietary data streams or metadata. This design allows it to be partially compatible with standard PDF readers while storing extra information, like layers and edit history, that only the UPDF software can interpret. PDF from Super Ace Software Technology Company, Ltd., is the core program designed for the UPDF structure. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows may preview the page, but complete editing relies on compatible document software. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your UPDF file and choose Open With. Test with UPDF first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If your UPDF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the UPDF file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use the simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, opening in UPDF. Download UPDF from updf.com and install on your platform. Open the UPDF file via File, then open and the document loads with all annotations, comments, and edits intact. The cross-platform sync features enable continued editing across multiple devices when signed into your UPDF account. Next, converting to standard PDF. Export UPDF files to standard PDF format using File then Export within the UPDF application. The exported PDF preserves visible annotations and content, but may flatten editable elements. The resulting PDF opens in Adobe Acrobat Foxit or any standard PDF reader for universal compatibility. Finally, sharing with others. Share UPDF files directly with collaborators who use the UPDF application for full feature access. For recipients without UPDF export to standard PDF, or use UPDF's cloud sharing features, which provide web-based viewing without requiring application installation on the recipient's device. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.